Hi friends, in this short video you will learn all the information about the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra smartphone in a couple of minutes and where to buy it at a good price. Here we go. The case of the Galaxy S22 Ultra has IP68 protection. The smartphone can be immersed in water to a depth of 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The phone case is huge, like other Samsung flagships. This is definitely a smartphone for two-handed use, especially if it is in a case. The diagonal of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra screen is 6.8 inches, the resolution is 3088 x 1440 pixels. This is a dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with a 19.39 aspect ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz sensor layer polling rate. The peak brightness reaches 1750 nits. In this regard, no other phone can compare with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. In game mode, the 240 Hz sensor layer polling frequency is activated. This is not as much as on some gaming smartphones like the Asus ROG Phone 5, 300 Hz, but enough for any modern game with intense gameplay. The cameras are the same as on the S21 Ultra. The main one is 108 megapixels, the ultra-wide-angle one is 12 megapixels, as well as two telephoto lenses with a resolution of 10 megapixels. The same 40 megapixels camera is in front. The telephoto lens provides 10x optical zoom, and the ultra-wide-angle camera shoots with a viewing angle of 120. It is important that when switching between cameras, the color scheme does not change. The auto-framing function tracks up to 10 people in the frame and automatically adjusts the focus on them even when the smartphone is moving. 8K shooting is available, although 4 kelvins, 60 fps mode is best. Samsung chipset has 8 cores. 1 Cortex-X2, 2.8 GHz, 3 Cortex-A710, 2.50 GHz, and 4 Cortex-A510, 1.8 GHz. The graphics are responsible for the X-Clips 920 video accelerator on the AMD RDNA2 architecture. It supports ray tracing and variable frequency shading technology, so everything looks great in games. RAM can be 8 or 12 GB, and internal UFS 3.1 from 128 GB to 1 TB. With its power, the Galaxy S22 Ultra will please both gamers and ordinary users. The results in performance tests are excellent. On Geekbench 5, the device scores 1,183,657 points in single-core and multi-core modes. Batteries with a capacity of 5,000 mAh have become the norm for modern flagships, and inside the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is just such a battery. Despite the FHD Plus resolution and 120 Hz refresh rate, after a whole day of use, the smartphone showed 25–35% of energy. The speed of fast charging by wire can reach 45 watts, although there is no adapter included. When using its 45W device, the full recovery of the S22 Ultra energy took about an hour. The phone supports 15W wireless charging, and it takes almost 2 hours to restore the battery from 0 to 100%. There is a 4.5W reverse wireless charging. That's it. If you want to buy a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra at a good price, follow the link in the description.